In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a welcome channel Discord. A welcome channel is a simple text channel where Discord automatically posts system messages when people join your server, so newcomers get a friendly hello, and you keep general chat uncluttered. I'm demonstrating this on the desktop app. The layout on mobile is a little different, but the options have the same names. First, create the channel itself. In the left sidebar, find the category where you want the welcome channel to live. Hover over the category name and click the small plus icon to add a new channel. Choose a text channel and give it a clear, descriptive name, like welcome, so members instantly recognize its purpose. You can leave other options at their defaults and create the channel. Next, connect that channel to Discord system messages. Click your server name in the top left corner to open the menu, then select Server Settings. In the Settings, Navigation, go to Engagement. Here you'll see an option labeled System Messages Channel. Open the drop-down and select the welcome channel you just made. Click Save to confirm. From now on, whenever someone joins your server, Discord will post the join message in that channel instead of scattering it elsewhere. This helps you keep a clean, centralized spot for greetings and server boosts, and it gives new members a consistent first stop when they come in. With the channel set, consider tightening permissions so it stays tidy. Back in the channel list, hover over your new welcome channel and click the gear icon that appears to open channel settings. In permissions, you can adjust what members are allowed to do. If you want this space to be purely for automated welcome posts, disable the ability for everyone to send messages. That way, the channel won't turn into a chat thread, and the welcome notes remain easy to find. You can still allow moderators to post if needed, but limiting general access keeps things clear and professional. That's all there is to it. You created a dedicated text channel, pointed Discord's system messages channel to it, saved your changes, and optionally locked down permissions to keep the space focused. Now, every time someone joins, a welcome message appears right where you want it, giving your community a smooth, consistent first impression and keeping your server organized from day one.